jong ngini sakri pat na ngini penbiang ban tendar na dai na malta ko ki pat ba kim kwa ki persyang banong bagani hagita ki jing persyang ban yalam bagala the people party kam ju kan tho bril henrei kahi kai ka penshai ngim ju snotna ban kan tho henrei ngi snotna ban penshai oh deputy chief minister ba local MLA nang ni na po jowai wang kum kan mo hapo yola ka politics ka jongki ka debate tang ka election ka debate tang kata ka bansyong hapo secretariat hendai ngi snow thu ya ka politics ha ka jingmut ka bashisha ka jongka ka politics ka thau shapang ka ta ka bor o Michael Curtis habo batai shapang ka politics wong kumno. Wong politics is concerned with the description and analysis of the manner in which power is obtained, exercised, and controlled. Politics, kumno na pinan kami na but kumno na te la kam yagatagapor. The purpose for which it is used, kumno na pinan kami yagatagapor. Yagatagapor. The manner in which decisions are made, kuno la shimigi rai kibabon haganiga ri kejung. The factors which influence the decision, the making of the decision. Kaya kita kibaperlangi bagin shimigi rai. Kata kadiga por, kata kadiga sandor. Daiman penengkam nam tagar roy kapar kapit kapyang ka syong sok syong snan ka kiyo ka yo ka kachnyata yaki patpa ka de yo MLA jowai yo MLA nartiang bakin yelek penhe spa yalade ko ki patpa la jede ki bakin shagri yo patpa bakin yo patpa amne bakin kini kam naman snow tho Kum ki patma kibaga boys of the People Party kan yai pin snow thu Henry kemang ngenum la ban pin bor wat adien bangila tray shitam wat adien bangila pin snow thu lalu patma udang ji de NPP ngem la le AAM tangba kum bangalong menne pim la ban bam haba fi bam ruti ban ta makon